Welcome to Digital Electronics Lectures Practicals. So this is we have a third practical, implement combinational circuits using K-maps. So we have this truth table. This is the truth table, and we need to make the K-map from this truth table. So these are the outputs. Y is the output. There are 4 inputs. So we are making a SOP K-map. So let us see how to do the entries. So this is the first entry. These are the inputs A, B, C, D, all are 0 0. For SOP we make this as A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. So this is 1, which this one will come here, this one, okay, this one, and this one is A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So A bar, B bar, C bar, D is here. This is 1. Then the third one, A bar, B bar, C, D bar. So A bar, B bar, C, D bar comes here, and the fourth A bar, B bar, C, D. So this is 1, and so on. Okay, so I will just put all the entries, you can check it. Okay, so this will come here, and this one will come here, and rest all are zeros. So this is how we draw the K-map. Now next part comes is the solving of K-map. Okay, so for solving purpose we see whether we are getting any quad, octet. We are not getting any octet, so we'll see we are getting a quad. So there is a quad here, 4 ones together. Then there is one more quad here. There are 2 quads. Now we write the equation of the quad. So the equation of the quad is you see this, y equal to, the first is A bar, this quad, the quad equation of this quad is A bar, B bar, and equation of this quad is, we see B and C are not changing, so B, C. So this is the equation. Now we need to, this is a SOP equation. SOP equation, for implementing SOP equation we require AND OR combination. Okay, so first we have an AND gate. This is the AND gate. Then we need one more AND gate. Here one more AND gate will come, and then finally we have a OR gate. This is the OR gate. So the inputs would be, this is A bar, this is B bar, this is B, and this is C. So B, C, and then we have this inputs connected to the OR gate, and here we have the output Y. So this circuit is the reduced circuit. Now we will check this particular circuit in our multisim software, okay, and see whether it is whether we are getting all the outputs accordingly. Now this is the implementation of our circuit diagram after K-map, after drawing the K-map. So I have implemented using multisim software. So this is the this is what we have the actual circuit. So here there is AND gate, A bar, B bar, AND gate, B and B, C, and then we have this OR gate and the output. So this I have used 4 switches for A, B, C, D, all are connected to VCC. Then see, from A there are 2 wires are coming, one going through NOT gate, one directly going to the ground. So this which is coming from A bar, NOT is A bar, this is A. Same way for B, we have B bar, B, C bar, C, D bar. So there are 8 inputs here. Actually one is A, other is A bar, B, B bar, C, C bar, D, D bar. For the first AND gate we have to connect, you can see A bar, B bar. So this line which is coming, this is A bar and this is B bar. These two are connected to the first AND gate. Then second is BC. So this line is of B and this line is of C, and rest we don't need any other connections. Okay, we can even remove those connections, but let it be. So now let us check. Okay, we will check the truth table whether we are what we are getting, what we are expecting, what we are getting, are we getting that or not. So the first input is 0 0 0 0, output should be 1. So see, all are 0 0 0, output is 1. Okay, now next combination is 0 0 0 1, we must get 1. So open switch means 0. Okay, 0 0 0 and we close it, so this is 1. So 0 0 1 is again 1. Okay, then let us check one more. Third input is 0 0 1 0. Okay, so 0 0, we make this as 1, and this is 0. So 0 0 1 0 is also 1. The next is 0 0 1 1. This is also 1. Okay. Now next one is 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0 1 0 0, it should be 0. So 0, this is 1, and 0 0. So this is 0. Okay, what we are getting is this one. Okay, then let us check randomly another one. So let us say the third last 1 1 1 1 0 1. Okay, so 1 1 0 and 1, so it is 0. Okay, then the last entry is all ones, it should be 1. Okay, so all ones is 1. Okay, so I have not checked all the entries, but you can design a circuit and check all the entries. You will see that this circuit follows this truth table. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. We can even check all the entries and we'll get the same answer. So this is the reduced circuit diagram using K-maps. Okay, so that's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching.